In this tutorial, I will show you how to make super easy coasters. Grab a coaster and trace around it on a double piece of fabric, using a pen. Then stitch around, leaving one side open. Fill the gap in with polyester fiber. Stitch here to secure. I made another one using the same technique. Stitch different patterns, which you can do by hand or using your sewing machine. I made 3 different styles. Stitch patterns, using any color of thread, onto all of the coasters you made. In this one, I stitched a dot pattern by stitching dots in random places on the coaster. Now grab some different colors of yarn. We're going to stitch this pattern around the coasters using the yarn. I added the yarn into a thick needle for simple stitching. Keep going until you cover all 4 sides. And you're done. I loved this idea and I really enjoyed making it. I hope you did, too. Follow my channel for more easy sewing hacks and DIY tutorials like this.
Thanks for watching.